Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and the author of many books on how to draw cartoons, which are everywhere. Barnes & Noble's, Amazon, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Joann's, just many independent bookstores. So today I'm going to show you something. Someone asked for a three-quarter view. How do you do a three-quarter view? Well, in cartooning, it's a little different. You work with the shapes so much. So let's give it a try. First, we'll start this way. I'm going to have a shape that is flat and back. That's the back of the head, and this is the front. Like this. And we're going to bring it in and we're going to mold it as we go. Okay, so this is the basic look of the three-quarter, and here's a center line. Here is the eye line, like this. Now to show you where we're going with this, and I'll do it over again, like this, so it's darker. Here is the front of the hair, and here is the back of the hair. You see, it's already taking place, already starting. Some bangs. Okay, so here we go. Here's a nice long line going into small neck, like that. And this comes up. Now we will erase the original construction. Don't need it. It's important, I think, at some point to get rid of it so you can focus on what's there. Now I will bring this out just a little. So let me give her a little nose here. And I'll put in the eye line some long eyelids. Give her kind of a droll look. She'll look forward, but notice that I'm putting the eyeballs sunken under the eyelids. I'm going to bring the eyelids like this, bring that forward. I think this should be a little closer to this. I think it'll be a little more effective. So I'm going to scoot it over this way. See that? Make a little change like that. There we go. Now I'll put glasses on this lady here. And I'm going to make the glasses go out past the perimeter of the face. And let's give her a little smile, but you notice the smile goes in a direction. It's not straight up and down like you would in a front view, it goes to the right. Now I'm going to bring this down, change the neck a little bit, bring this out. I have to bring this in, a little too much hair, so we're playing with that, with the size. How does it look? So should we keep it like this? Make some more big changes? What do you think? I think we pretty much have it, so we can give it a shot now. The collar. So let's give it a shot and see how it looks, okay? Let's start with the eyes. We're going to make dark eyelids because that's part of the expression, so we want to exaggerate that. We want the eyeballs to be submerged, partially submerged under the eyelids. See? And leave enough room here so that the bottom eyelid does not touch the eyeball. Front of the eyelids, like that. And let's bring this over. Let's put some eyeglasses here to add some character to her, and it'll be on the same line here. The same line. There you go. A little connector like that. I'll put a little more thickness on the top. Always draw the top lip before the bottom lip. That gives you the direction. Way up here, away from the glasses so we can see them, we will put the eyebrows. Bring it way down. And let's put some bangs on this lady. For fun, we'll make the top of the hair flat instead of round, because they're supposed to be round. So we'll kind of break reality with that. And I think I'm going to thicken the glasses just to bring them out a little more, because they're a prop. And since we're using it, might as well emphasize it. Okay, hold on. Good. Now I will do a little erasing, because I also want to do a little bit of shading. And if it's all got all the shading marks all over it, you're not going to see that. So let me shade this. Like that. And the top lip, the back of the hair, and the blouse. Maybe an eyelash or two. And there we go. I hope you liked it. Had fun with that one. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe. I have new videos all the time, and I hope to see you at the next one. Thanks. Bye-bye.